It's James Woods, aka that yoga dude, and you gotta get it in when you can. Teachers Lounge, half a yoga mat. That's funny. They're cutting the budgets, y'all, but still, we get it in how we can. Teachers Lounge, your office area, you can still get a good little stretch in and a piece of mindfulness for you. Half a yoga mat is crazy. That's all you need. You don't even need that. I'm gonna take my shoes off. You don't have to do that. But just really to ground down, plant my feet down into the ground, relax my shoulders, relax my back, and take 5 deep breaths here. Why 5? Because I might have just 5 minutes before the kids come rushing in, before other staff come rushing in. So I'm gonna take my 5 breaths through. Release the rush. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Relaxing. Releasing. Good. A little bit more centered. Taking the keys out my pocket so I can have some space. Now, you can stay here on this chair. Let the legs drop, the knees drop, so the hips are higher than the knees. And that just helps to create flow within the body. And then I can use this as support and lean over for a deep stretch in the spine. Take my right shoulder, roll it back so my chest is open. Stretching this way, feel the stretch all the way down through that knee, through my hips, breathing in. Slowly coming up and bringing it down. Pause in the middle. Onto the other side, leaning over for a deep stretch. Oof. Roll, open, breathe. I'm breathing all the way from my belly button, extending all the way from this left knee, open that up, stretching to the left hand, open the whole left side up, breathe in here. Both hands. Good. I'm gonna plant my feet here. Take my left hand and get a nice little twist here. Oh, that feels good. You see how I don't hunch over, I still open up. Even the spine long. Bringing it over to the other side. Oh, that was a back crack there. In the middle. That's good. If you want to, the ground is there. Oh, half a mat. Budget friendly. You can share the other half with your colleagues and students. Just getting on the ground like this is a stretch. So we're just gonna circle it out. And if you're in a chair on the couch, you can still do the same thing. Just circling through the spine. Good. Keeping my chin up and then bringing it down. Seeing what's going on with my neck. Doing circles here. And then circling going the other way. Ooh. Hips do not lie. Good. Shoulder roll. Oh. And you'll see I have my clothes on. I'm glad I have my clothes on, but this is not a special yoga suit. I don't even need athletic gear. To stretch and relax and release, dropping your head from left to right, keeping your shoulders down, listening to your body. Good. Big stretch here. Extend my right leg, tuck the left in, sit up nice and tall, curl those toes back, and then just stretch forward. Oh, big stretch in the whole right side, all the way up to the lower back. Breathe in, and then fold forward. Oh, good. Relax the shoulders. Drop it in. Going to the other side, and I'm bringing them at an angle. So you see my left leg comes at an angle. Sit up nice and tall, curl the toes. Big full body stretch here. Relax and forward fold. Woo, if you want to, you can really get into those feet. Well, I don't know if y'all can hear it, but that's the bell. But I feel even better. Relax the shoulders, breathing in. good. As always, feel free to feel free and namaste. Peace. Make sure y'all taking care of yourselves in these times. Peace.